Yeah. Where you going?
To the school.
For the school. Are you excited?
Excited.
First day ngayon ni Liam sa school. So, punta kami sa school ngayon. Pababa kami.
So,
Punta kami ng school. Excited ka na? Makita si teacher ulit?
okay.
Okay. Hindi, tahimik lang ngayon si Liam. Excited na siya papasok sa school, guys. Excited? Kuya. Kulayin Liam. Kuya, are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited. Papasok na, malapit na kami sa school, guys. Malapit na kami. Liam, saan na tayo? We're here. Yeah, in school. Yeah. Look at that. We're here. Oy, you burp. What's that, Kuya? Your ID? Nice. Alright, we're going to the school now. Yan ang garden nila sa school. Ito yung COVID court. Ayan, may ginagawang bagong building dyan sa mga school. Here. Okay. Ha? Come on, Em.
Come on, mommy.
Let's go.
Daddy. Let's go, but Daddy.
Come on.
Oh.
Walk slowly. Go to school, huh? Are you excited? Huh? Kuya? Are you excited? Huh? Ito yung school nila. Ayan. Yes. Oh, slowly lang. Bagong building namin to. Wait lang natin na mag-uwi na sila, teacher. Good job. Oh. Laki na ni Kuya Sen. Nagtitiptoe siya. Drink ka na ng water. Liam, halika muna, wala pa. Lalabas pala yung mga classmates. Liam, tawag ka na ni teacher. Inside, Liam. Oh, you say hi to teacher. Na-miss mo si teacher, di ba? What's up? Oh, you sit here. You sit down there, Liam, ha? Okay? Ayan yung water mo. O, bye-bye na. Bye!
Bye-bye.
See you. May pabiling ka pang french fries. Burger. Okay. Bye, Kuya. Liam, how was your day? Ha? Masaya ka ba sa school? Uy, Kuya. Is it fun?
What?
Yeah? Are you happy?
Happy?
Yeah, are you happy sa school? Did you learn something? Liam, you're not listening, eh? Are Are you tired?
Yeah.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
Nakasama ko.
Kai Kai is waiting.